welcome everyone to this section of the image representation lesson. This section is just designed to give you an idea about how many different colors you can represent with different amount of bits. You can see here with 1 bit we can represent 2 colors, with 2 bits we can represent 4, with 3 bits we can represent 8, and you sort of see a pattern emerging where the amount of colors that you can represent with each increase in bit depth is multiplying itself by 2. Now, looking at these 3 images of Mario over here, I would like you to possibly pause the video if you wish to challenge yourself and try to calculate how many or how much bit depth you would need to represent each of these Mario images. I will give you the answers in just a second, but if you wish to challenge yourself before you see the correct answers, then I strongly recommend that you pause the video and do some calculating for yourself. So if you wish to pause now, please. Okay, so the correct answer for the NES system for Mario, we can see that Mario is using 1, 2, 3 different colors. So for this image, we would have to use 2-bit depth. For the Master System Mario is using 9 different colors, and to represent 9 colors, we would need to use 4-bit depth. Now, unfortunately, we can't use 3 bits here because 3 bits is only capable of representing 8 colors. And even though there will be some extra patterns in your 4-bit depth, which will not be used to represent colors, this is still the most efficient one to use. So for the 9 colors, for the Master System Mario, you would need to use 4-bit depth color. And of course, for this Mario over here on the bottom, Mario is only using 2 different colors, and for this we can use 1-bit depth, like so. Alright, so if you got all 3 of those correct, very well done to you. See you in the next part.